All right, guys, welcome back. This is the Monday directions video, and we're continuing off from our Rwandan genocide thing from the last time we were together. But I figured we just start the week off easy, and we're going to watch this Hollywood video called Hotel Rwanda. Uh, for you people that are at home today, just watch the first 45 minutes of it. There's no questions with it. It's just, did you watch it? Should be some easy points. And that's basically it, guys. You're just going to be hanging out, watching this video. I'll kind of show it to you right here for a second. And it's a Hollywood version of the Rwandan genocide situation that we've been looking at. It's pretty entertaining. It won a bunch of awards, so I'm sure you guys will kind of like it. And you'll like it even more now that you kind of know the background information. And you'll kind of be in on some of the inside jokes and some of the conflicts that are happening. But that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. If it's not working for you, let me know. But for the most part, just sit back, relax, and enjoy your first day back here. And then when you're in class tomorrow, we'll watch it. For you people that are full online, you can just kind of pace yourself. Just make sure you have it done before Thursday morning. So you got a few days. So, anyways, guys, good luck. Email me if you have any questions.